In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add different algebraic expressions. So while adding algebraic expression, only like terms can be added. So like terms are those which have got same variable. So the terms which have same variable could be added. If there are unlike terms, we cannot add them. They could be left as it is. So there are two ways to add them. First one is horizontal method. In horizontal method, all expressions are written in horizontal line and then they are simplified according to the like terms. And column method is easier one. And how do we do it? When each expression is written in separate rows such that like terms are written one below the other in a column, and after rearranging them in this manner, we simplify them. Let's do one question. Let's add these algebraic expression using horizontal method. So we will arrange 3x plus 5x. These are the two algebraic expression to be added. So we'll put plus, and then this is the way we write in horizontal line. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. So the answer is 8x. Let's do another question using horizontal method. Now 6x plus minus 9x, and applying the rules of integers, 6x plus minus is minus 9x. Now plus 6 minus 9, plus minus is minus, so we'll subtract 9 minus 6 is 3. We'll put a sign of bigger one. 9 is negative, hence it is minus 3. X is the answer. Another set of question using horizontal method. So here we have x as well as y. In the previous question there was only x, so now we are going to do questions which are based on two variables. So 3x plus 2y, as it is a horizontal method, so I'll write the second expression in horizontal line. Now rearrange the like terms. 3x and x are like terms, so rearrange them. 3x plus x. Rest 2y and y are also like, so they are also written side by side. So 3 plus 1 is 4x plus 2 plus 1 is 3y. So this is how we solve addition of algebraic expression. Now let us see the same question using column method. So 3x plus 2y will be written in first row. Now x has a like term with 3x. So x will be written under 3x because both of them are like terms. Now y has got one like term with 2y. So we are going to write y under 2y. Now let's add them. So 3 plus 1 is 4x. Add all the like terms now. 2y plus y is 3y. So when we did the question in horizontal way, the answer was also 4x plus 3y. Here also the answer is 4x plus 3y. Now we have got three algebraic expressions. There are three variables and the question is to add them. So I'm going to solve this question column method. So let's do it. So first expression will be written on the top. Now second expression has first got 2b. So it will be written under 2b. And 2b means positive 2b because there is no sign, so it means plus 2b is there. Second term is plus c, so it will go under c1. Last term in this one is minus 4a. So minus 4a will come under 6a. Let's write down the third expression. Now this a will come under a. Minus 3b under b terms. Minus 2c under c terms. Now to solve this thing, we are going to apply the rules of integers. Let us solve 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 4, it is 3a. Now let us do b term. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Positive 7. So plus 7b. So we will not forget to write down the variable also with the 7. Next is, now here we have got two minus terms. Minus 7c and minus 2c. So let us solve them first. We know minus minus is plus. So 7 plus 2 is 9, 9c. But since they are both are negative, so answer is also minus 9c. We are left with plus c also now. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8c. So this is the answer after adding all the algebraic expressions.